Hello everyone, welcome to Siddhi Academics. I'm Amrita. I firmly believe that we should keep trying until we get it right. Let's start our trial for today. Let's start off with the SOF International Maths Olympiad question paper 2022-23. That is the recent one that has been held. We will divide the question into different sections and solve them accordingly. Let's start off with the logical reasoning section. That is the first section from the question paper. And if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. And if you want to learn along with me, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Siddhi Academics. I'll be traveling till mid of April, so I might not be posting regularly, but still after coming back, I'll be again regular. So let's start. Let's start with the first question from SOF International Maths Olympiad, Set C 2022-23, means the recent one which has been held for grade 6. The question says, in a row of boys, Vineet is 5th from the left end and Rohit is 6th from the right end. So let's understand their positions. This is the row of boys. Vineet is sitting here. He is 5th in the position from the left. So from the left, he is the 5th one. So definitely there are 4 boys here before Vineet, on the left of Vineet. And there is another boy, Rohit. Okay, Rohit is 6th from the right end. So let this be the right end, and he is 6th from the right end. Now what happens next? When they interchange their positions, meaning Vineet goes to Rohit's place and Rohit comes to Vineet's place, Vineet becomes 15th from the left end. So I'll just put a cut here and write here Rohit, because Rohit comes here and Vineet comes here. They interchange their position. Vineet at this moment becomes 15th. Okay, he becomes 15th from the left end. From which end? Left end. He is becoming 15th. So how many? Okay, yeah. Rohit was 6th initially from the right. So how many boys definitely would be here towards the right of Rohit? 5 boys, right? 5 boys here, and when they interchange the position from the left side, the question is saying Vineet is 15. So 15th. So how many total number of boys? Total number of boys will be 15 plus 5. Okay, all the boys covering from this end. Okay, till Vineet, including Vineet, are 15. And according to Rohit's initial position of 6th from right, there must be 5 boys here. So 15 plus 5 is total number of boys is 20, right? And what will be the position of Rohit from the right end in new arrangement? Okay, from the right end, what will be Rohit's position? Now total number of boys are 20, and Rohit is coming here to this position. How many boys are to the left of Rohit? 4. So 20 minus 4, what it will be? 16. So 16th position will be that of Rohit. Okay, according to the interchange, after they interchange the position. So which option is correct? Answer B is correct. Okay, B is saying 16th. So this is the answer for question number 1. I don't have the answer key, but this according to me should be the answer. Let's move to the second question from the Set C Maths Olympiad. Question number 2 says select the odd one out. Let's have a look at the figures. See, A option, what we have? The arrow like this inside the square is pointing towards this arrow, right, in option A. Similarly, in option B, the arrow inside the square is pointing towards the outside arrow. So again, A, B are similar in this sense. Look at C. What happens in C? The arrow is pointing inside the square. Whatever arrow is there, it's pointing in some other direction. It's not pointing towards the arrow which is outside. D also falls in line. D is like A and B only. So odd one out is option C. This is quite obvious. Okay. So for question number 2, option C is the odd one out. Let's move to the next question. Let's start with question number 3. Question number 3 says select the incorrect number in the given series. The series is 2, 13, 68, 345, 1718. All of them are following a pattern except one. Now let's subtract. Let's understand if the pattern which they are following is subtraction or not. I mean, through subtraction we get it or not. So first two consecutive numbers are 13 and 2. I subtract them. It becomes 11. 68 minus 13. It is 55, right? 68 minus 13 is 55. So definitely what is happening, I feel right now, initially, okay, trial and error method. What I feel is the whatever the difference is it is getting multiplied with 5. Initial difference was 11 and I multiplied 5. Then the next difference became 55. Now with this difference, let me multiply 5. What it will become? 55 into 5 is how much? 5 5s are 25 and 5 5s are 25 plus 2, 275. Now with this 275, I should add which number? 68 to get the next number. Let me see, if I add 68, what comes? 5 plus 8, 13. 1 gets carried over. So 7, 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. 1. 343. So it is 343. But here it is given as 345. So here something seems a little off, right? Let's see. Now, with 345, let's add the next difference. What difference it will be? 275 is the difference, right? We added 68 with which number? 275. So again 275 multiplied by 5, okay, and then adding with 343 should give me 1718, right? Then I can be sure that 345 is the odd one out or incorrect number in the series. Now what do I get out of adding this, multiplying 275 with 5? 5 5s are 25, 2 gets carried over, 5 7s are 35 plus 2 is 37, 3 gets carried over, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3 is 13. Okay, so 343 plus 1375, 3 plus 5 is 8. Then 7 plus 4 is 11. 1 gets carried over. So it becomes 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay, and this one as it is, I will write 1718. So see, pattern 2 came with the difference 11, right? Then pattern, 68 came with 55 as a difference. Now here, if we go by this method, 55 multiplied by 5, ideally the difference should be 275 and the number here should come up to be 343, right? Then 275 multiplied by 5, that would be 1375, and if I add this 343 with 1375, the number that comes up to be is 1718. So which one is odd? Definitely everything is correct except 345. So option B is the incorrect in the series for question number 3. Okay, option B, 345. It should be 343. Let's move to the next question. One thing I want to add here is that the gap between 343 and number 1718 is not 137 but 1375, which I wrote it wrongly. I noticed after recording the video. So I just want to clarify so that there are no doubts left. Here only we had found 1375. Somehow I had missed the 5 here while writing. So the gap here to follow the pattern is 1375. Let's move to the next question. Let's start with question number 4. Question number 4 says, in a certain code language, doctor is coded as EQFUQ. So let's first write the coding. Doctor, I'm writing all the letters, and corresponding letters are E, then here Q, F, U, Q and U, right? So yes, same thing. Now for dancer, if you see, it also starts with D. So obviously according to the same, because same code language is being used, so D will change to E. Now look at the options here. None of them has got E except C. So if you want to answer fast without much delay, C should be the option. But still, if you want to see how this code is working, let's see. Between D and D there is no gap. D is followed by E. Now O, after O, in between there is P, right? Then C. After C, here we have got two letters, then F comes. What are the two letters? D and E in between. T, T is followed by U in the alphabet. O is followed by again P, only one letter, and R is followed by ST. So can you see the pattern? If I put a line over here, first there is no gap, then there is letter of one letter gap, then two letter gap. Then same thing follows for the next three alphabets. Similarly, here if you see, after A there should be one gap, it should become C. Then N, after N, O, P, it should become Q. Okay, done with this pattern up till here. Now again no gap should be there. So C would be followed with D, and E should be followed by one letter gap, one alphabet, E, F, G. Okay, till now we are going according to this. Now after R again there should be two letter gap, S, T, R, S, T, U. So we got this, whatever is there in option C, all the letters for dancer. So this is the code language and this is how we decoded it. So question 4, correct answer is option C. Let's move to the next question. Okay. Let's start with question number 5. Question number 5 says, Sakshi walks 10 meter towards south, then she turns left and walks 15 meter. Okay. So let this direction downwards be south direction for now. So she is walking 10 meters in this direction, south direction, and then she is turning towards her left. So this would be her left, her left I'm talking about. She walks 15 meter this way, right? And then what she does is, again she takes a right turn and walks 25 meter. She takes a right turn and walks 25 meter up till here. Okay. Finally, she moves 15 meter after taking a right turn. So again, she is taking a right turn like this and she is moving 15 meter. So the question is asking how far she is now from the starting point. So if you look at this, this is the starting point, this is the starting point, and we need to know this entire distance, right? From this point, that is the starting point, to here. This is a final position and this was a starting position. So 10 plus 25, right? This vertical lines will give us the distance from the initial position to our final position. 10 plus 25 is 35 meters. So the answer according to me is option B for question number 5. Okay.